Hi, my name is Mabel Pauline Jeremy E. Panga, currently studying at Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, a fourth-year student taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Biological Science. So for today, I am going to share a little knowledge regarding with the units for expressing concentration. This video will contain some problem solving that will show you how to convert between molarity, grams, moles, and liters. This will be very helpful for students learning stoichiometry. Now, let's talk about molarity. Molarity is one form of concentration. It is represented by capital M.
Molarity is expressed by moles of solute over liters of solution. It is also expressed by moles over volume. And sometimes you may need to find moles. Moles is equals to molarity multiplied by volume. You can also represent it as moles per liter. And if the volume is in liter, you can see how liter will cancel. Then you can get moles. It has to be the moles of solute that are congruent because as you add water, the quantity of the solution changes but the amount of solute remains the same. If you're wondering what is the solute and what is the solvent, think of how you make salt and water. The salt is a solute and water is the solvent, but combining them makes a solution. Now, let's look at this problem and solve it. So, 80 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in enough water to produce a 500 ml of solution. What is the concentration of the solution? Let's find the concentration in molarity. As I've said earlier, molarity is equals to moles of solute per liter of solution. We're gonna solve it using the conversion, but we need to get the moles at the top and liters at the bottom. So let's start. So the moles of solute is 80 grams sodium hydroxide. To convert from grams to moles, we need the molar mass of sodium hydroxide based on the table of elements. So sodium has 23, oxygen has 16, hydrogen has 1. So we're going to add all the atomic masses and this gives us 40 grams per mole. So we get 80 grams of sodium hydroxide over 1 times 1 mole of sodium hydroxide over 40 grams of sodium hydroxide. So the 40 grams sodium hydroxide is the sum of all the atomic masses. The molar mass tells the number of grams that is equivalent to 1 mole of substance. Now, we have to set up in such a way that the unit grams cancel. We already found our mole. Now, we need to find out how many liters of solution we have. Now, how can we convert 500 ml into liters? As we all know, 1 liter is equivalent to thousands of ml. Now, we can convert it. Or you can simply move the decimal 3 spaces to the left. So, 500 ml is the same as 0.5 liters. Now, let's divide the mole by the volume. So, 80 divided by 40 is 2. And 2 is divided by 0.5. Well, if you multiply the top and bottom by 2, the result will be 4 over 1. So the molarity of solution is 4 moles per liter, or simply 4 molarity.